Are you sure you want to ride an electric bike? I've just shown all you guys what it can.
Well, that guy, Jack Brunel, right there, while we've been all watching Supercross start over here, just took one, his maiden victory, and two, Stark's maiden victory in a racing series. And this is the British Arenacross series, the highest level of competition that Stark has been permitted to race or compete in, however you want to say it. And they can show, that they're winning. This is a competitive bike, a bike that is a number one competitor or a championship contender. Who knows at that point, but at least can in the first, second round, wherever it is. I don't know. Somebody tell me in the comments below if you watched Arena Cross or if you watch British Arena Cross, what round this was. But this is big. I mean, especially for somebody who it's his first win on a new team, on an unproven bike, on an unproven propulsion system, whatever you want to call it, gas or electric over gas, to go out and win and just, prove that it's a thing. It's pretty cool for him. Got to be cool for the team. And, this is the future. You're going to have electric bikes racing gas powered bikes very soon. Whether it's next year, a couple years, whatever it is, it's going to be happening very quickly. And, teams are going to have to get either okay with it or it's going to have its own series. However, they're going to work it out. All the big manufacturers are going to have to figure out what they're going to be doing very quickly because if they're coming out and winning like this, they're going to be coming out and winning in other series that they're allowed. Well, if they're allowed to race, that's another whole thing. In the comments below, you guys tell me: do you watch British Ring Cross? Do you watch Ring Cross? Are you into Supercross? And that's all you care about at the moment. Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. With that, I'll see you later. Peace.